Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Kat's Cooking Kitchen. Look for me on Facebook and YouTube. Tonight, we're going to make another throw-together dinner from what I have in my pantry and refrigerator. So, here we go. I set my oven for 400 degrees. I have a pound of shredded chicken, and I'm looking for my hash browns. Should have this out. It's hard. We're going to stick it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Kind of thaw it out so I can use it. Now, we have set that on there. Now, I'm going to use crackers for the top, so I put them in a Ziploc bag and I just did this. They can be crumbs, they don't have to be powder. There's a lot of powder and crumbs together in there. But that's going to be for the topping. Okay. And I'm out of milk, so I thought I'd add a little milk because I'm going to use some sour cream. So to cut the sour cream, I thought I'd add milk. Well, I'm out of cream. I don't usually have milk. Well, I'm not sure that's going to work. So I'll be right back. I've got some evaporated milk in my pantry out here. And since I already have about a half a cup of water here, I had this in there so I could stir the powder. My powder got too hard. That was buttermilk powder, but I was only using it because I had it in the pantry. Now I can get rid of it. Okay. I probably used about, I don't know, half a cup out of there. Okay. Let's go ahead and put the milk in first. Check my potatoes. They're getting there. Okay. And what else? Oh, soup. I was going to use soup. I want to put that in and get that mixed in with the milk. This is going to be the chicken and cheese casserole. I was going to use Jiffy Mix on top of it and make it cornbread chicken, but I don't have any Jiffy Mix, so I thought about putting stuffing on top of it, and that would work out really good, but I opted to do the crackers this time. See how that goes. Add about a half a teaspoon of salt. About a whole teaspoon of pepper. Whoop, that'd be a little much. There. Although, I could have used that much, it wouldn't matter because we like things peppery. Didn't want to come apart. That's going to work. That got them so they're still frosty. Okay, so now we're going to Thought I could stir it in, but it's not going as fast as I want it to. So that's 1 can of soup, 2/3 cup milk if you have it. What I did was I put in 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk and made my own salt, pepper soup. Might as well put the hash browns in next. Oh, you know what? I've got peas in the freezer I need to use up. I think I'll just throw some peas in there, give this thing a little extra flavor. Hope my pan's big enough to hold this. I got a 9 by 13 pan. I figured that would hold it. Okay. Now we're going to add I want these to break apart. I don't want them to mix together pretty well. Now I'm going to use some sour cream. I think I'll use a cup or so. This is probably a 2 cup. What is it, 16 ounce? Oh, this is 8 ounces. Oh, it's a 24 ounce container. Okay. That's more than 2 cups. I'm such a messy slob, I tell you. I don't know how about you guys. Are you anxious for the spring as I am? Pretty nice day today. I hope tomorrow's nicer. Okay. Forgot my paper towel. I'm telling you, I'm just flying by the seat of my pants tonight. So let's start working this in. This is our chicken, our potatoes, our soup, sour cream, salt, pepper, and milk. Yeah, let's put something green in there. Could do broccoli. Broccoli and potatoes go real well together. And chicken. Let me see. What do we want to use? I think I'll use the broccoli. Change my mind. If the peas were there, I'd probably grab them too. They seem to be buried in the back behind things. I'd put corn in it, but my husband doesn't really care for it. He'll eat it. See, if you put some green in it, it magically becomes healthy. Right? Okay, maybe not so much. Okay, here's our chicken that I thought I had in here already. I'm telling you, I think this is going to make 2 pans. Okay. Chicken. And of course I've got to have cheese. Cheesy chicken and broccoli. Casserole. Here I thought I'd have all kinds of room in this bowl. Look at this. This is 1 full bowl of casserole here. Okay. All right, I'm going to get this. I know this is going to be too much for my pan, so I got another little pan out here in case I went over. And get this in the oven. It's a big casserole, so it's going to take a while. But luckily for you, I'm only gone a nanosecond, so you don't have to wait like I do. So that's the nice thing about doing these videos, because you get the results right away. Okay, I think that's mixed up pretty well. Okay, I'm going to pause you. I'll be back when it's done. Thanks for watching me. Hope you stay around. Hey, welcome back. As you can, oh, you can't see. I haven't moved you yet. As you can see, there's our casserole. It looks really good. It's not quite ready to eat. It would be ready to eat. But I want to top it with a little more cheese. About a cup. Okay. And about 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to pour it right in on top of my crackers. I hope it's enough. I got a lot of crackers in there. I might have to put some more butter in there. Don't look too bad. I think we got the butter in there. Okay, so now I'm just going to dump it on here. I don't have to get it out by the spoonful or with my handful. Oh, I got all that bowl in this heaping full casserole. So it's been in the oven at 400 for 40 minutes. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for between 10 and 15 minutes. So the crackers can toast up nicely and the cheese underneath will melt pretty quickly. So won't be long now and I'll be able to taste it. I've never made anything like this. I put the broccoli in. You could use peas or even green beans, whatever vegetables you like, you could throw in there and make it a really beefier, I mean, not beefy, we're not using beef, we're using chicken, but just, the expression is beef it up. You could beef this up with a lot of different things that you'd like, so keep that in mind if you ever decide to make this. I will be right back. Hey, welcome back. Our dinner is ready. It took almost an hour, but mine is really, really big, unless you're going to feed a lot of people. Here it is. Doesn't that look good? Now, I'm going to put some in a bowl, and we're going to check it out. And a little soupy. That might be good. Oops. I'm sure you can see all the steam coming off of it. Now, we'll take a bite. It sure smells and looks so good. Let me see if I can get a little piece of broccoli. Oh, that's a big bite. That's going to burn. It's so hot. Mmm. This actually is so good, but it reminds me of a pot pie with a graham cracker crust. So you could chop up onion and celery. I think if I make it again, I'm going to add the onion and the celery and some chopped up carrots and peas in there. That is super good. So there you have it. Quick and easy. Takes an hour, but that's just cooking time. So you're looking at hour and 15, hour and a half from start to finish. But it would be well worth your time to make this. It is delicious. So until next time, thank you all for watching Kat's Cooking Kitchen. Look for me on Facebook and YouTube. And we'll see you in the kitchen next time. Good night.